Let's clear this mess first, then I'll talk to you. Now when I have to shoot some videos, I generally use this light, and sometimes I use natural light as well. But to shoot head talk videos, we really need a good light. I mean, light plays a very important role when you are shooting head talk videos. So this is kind of a desi jugaad for now. I didn't think this through. This is just a light, and I also need that holder to plug it to the point. So I have set up my light, and this is how it looks. Now I can't emphasize enough the importance of light, be it photo shoot or any videography. No matter how good of a camera one uses, if there is not ample light, the footages will come as shitty. But I still feel that this light is little bright for this kind of videos. I mean, at the first place it was not made for to be used as a studio light. If I have to do some hack, I'll just buy some butter paper and wrap it around so that the light is little soft. Much better. I did not have any butter paper with me as of now, so what I did, I just took one A4 size paper which we normally use for printing and wrapped it around with some rubber bands, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That is working and my purpose is served. It has been raining for quite some time in Calcutta and its nearby areas, but today it seems pretty fine. The weather is pleasant and it did not pour from today morning itself. So I thought of going out and with my friends hang out. It was not at all necessary to come here and talk about this, but as I'm running low on content, I thought of putting this and show this time lapse as well.